Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Solitaire game. First, let's set up the game. You'll need a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Deal 7 tableau piles across your playing area. The first pile gets 1 card, the second gets 2, and this continues up to the 7th pile, which receives 7 cards. Only the top card of each of these 7 piles is turned face up. All the other cards remain face down. The remaining cards form the stock pile. Now, let's understand the main objective of Solitaire. Your ultimate goal is to move all 52 cards from the tableau and stock piles to 4 foundation piles. These foundation piles are built in ascending order, starting with an ace, then a 2, a 3, and so on, all the way up to a king. Each of the 4 foundation piles must be built with cards of the same suit, like all hearts or all spades. These are usually placed above your main playing area. Moving cards within the tableau is key to uncovering more options. You can move a card, or a sequence of cards, onto another tableau pile. The rule is simple. A card can only be placed on a card of the next higher rank and of the opposite color. For instance, a red 5 can be placed on a black 6. When you move a card and expose a face-down card beneath it, you immediately turn that newly exposed card face up, revealing new possibilities. When you run out of moves in the tableau, turn to your stock pile. You can draw cards from the stock, usually 1 or 3 at a time, to reveal new cards that might be playable. If you manage to clear an entire tableau pile, creating an empty space, only a king, or a sequence of cards starting with a king, can be moved into that empty slot. Keep playing, moving cards to the foundations, until all cards are sorted or you can no longer make any valid moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.